Hi, I'm Emerson, a wedding photographer based here on the Costa Blanca, and I thought I'd like to take you along with me to an engagement session we did last week at Casa Benigalip. Thought lots of couples kind of don't know what to expect on a wedding day or at their engagement session, so I thought it might be nice to kind of come and have a look behind the scenes, see what happens, see a little bit about how we work, and then you get like a good idea of what to expect at your engagement session or on your wedding day. Let's check it out.
So here we are at Benigalip. The first thing we normally do is take some detail shots. This is the same on a wedding day. We'll always take a few shots just to kind of show off and start setting the scene. It's a nicer way to start a video. Adds a little ambience to the gallery as well. This was the arch that had all been set up by Natal Plant by Emma, and it was all organised by Angela from Angela's Weddings in Spain. And here the lovely couple arrive. We try and capture that surprise reactions. And now we just kind of leave them to enjoy the moment, just capturing what's going on. And this is where now we went for a little bit of a walk. Their son Hudson was very active, so we thought it was more fun to go for a little bit of a walk, and we'll just keep capturing photos of everything going on. We're heading up this way because apparently there's a peacock hiding. And like I said, always capturing photos. We kind of head down by the pool, so there's something interesting to go and find. Catching the kids interacting with each other. Here we are doing our best to capture some good family photos. Like I said, for us it's all of them. We don't like to pose too much, but putting you in the right position and just watching how you interact as a family, we tend to find that's where we get the best shots. I like to always show some images when I can, just to help build people's confidence that they're not looking stupid, that everything's actually turning out great. Now we come back over to the arch to capture some shots. And at this point Charlotte gave us her engagement ring and we thought we'd take some detail shots because the background was just so lovely I couldn't really resist. And there goes the cork on the carpet. And that about rounds up our shoot with Corey and Charlotte. I hope you've enjoyed the video and like and subscribe for more.